Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another video for y'all, man. Now check this out on my YouTube channel today. On this video, I want to go over high CPM content on YouTube. Why you should make high CPM content when you a smaller YouTube channel. Yeah, that's a good title for this. Why you should make high CPM content when you a smaller YouTube channel. Now, right now, your boy Yon World, I only got 20K. But if you haven't been here since the beginning, you wouldn't really know my grind. But I experimented with so many different niches on YouTube. It's crazy. But last year, I was just exposed to the golden niche, and that is passive income, how to make money online, education, teaching people, showing people how to do stuff. Now, on this video, I'm about to share with y'all as a smaller YouTube channel, if you just getting started, I'm about to do some compare and contrast, just looking at my numbers, y'all. We got a video right here that I just posted. BitConnect FBI investigation. Now, this is I would consider it an entertainment video. It's like some entertainment, like they have categorized this as an entertainment video. Now, we see for 145 views, I only got 57 cents. 57 cents for 145 views. Now, you probably like, yeah, that's what you're supposed to get. Now, let me show you something right here on this video. Earn $500 per day using Max Bounty and Gumtree. Step-by-step tutorial, education, money, finance, how to do that passive income. You know what I'm saying? Now, if we go to video analytics, you see for 230 views, I got $5.44. Now, let me go back. Let me just show you. A BitConnect video, it ain't really no difference. You know what I'm saying? It's only like 100 more views. This one got 57 cents compared to this video with only 240 views. They got $5.44. And something you got to know about these views, even though it say 230 views, all of them wasn't probably monetized. It was probably like half of them monetized. It was probably like 115 of those that were monetized that gave me $5. So really 115 views gave me $5. Nope. Let's keep going on. Let's keep going on. Let me show you. All right, let's look at this Donald Trump impeachment video. So we got Donald Trump looking crazy on here. Donald Trump, 147 views. We got 63 cents off that, right? 63 cents. Now we go right under it. Sri Yantra meditation. 257 views. We got $3.37. So we went from 60 cents to $2.37, man. Now let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it pushing. We got this Cookies Grand Open in Detroit. 2,000 views, right? 2,000 views. How much we make off that? $4.95 off of 2,000 views, right? Now let's go to a Sprizzy video. Let's go to this Sprizzy video. It got 946 views. Right? Let's go. Well, 858 views in the past 28 days. I made $54. Right? Y'all see that? Nah. This is why you need to make high CPM content as a smaller YouTube. You could talk about all that entertainment stuff. 2,000 views. 2,000 views only got me $4.95. Now, when we go back, I got less views, right? Let's see this video. Sprizzy versus Google Ads. This video only got 225 views. I made $8.45. And when we go to the cookies video, I only got $4.95 for 2,000 views. So this is what I'm talking about. This is why you need to make high CPM content as a smaller YouTube channel. You know, You got to talk about how to make money online. What no YouTuber would tell you, or, you know, none of these other YouTubers promoting passive income and how to make money online. You know, it's more valuable to learn it and teach it than it is to actually practice it. So when you understand what I just said, you know, you can flip the script. And once you flip the script, you know, you're on the other side of the playing board. It's chess now, you know? So, yeah, let's look at this video. On Me in the Hellcat. How much I get off that? 88 cents off of 315 views. Now, let's go to this video. Attract Blue Hundreds. 44 cents. You know what I'm saying? But that couldn't have been, that wasn't a total, like, that's just, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We can go to Lifetime. It made about $2. You know what I'm talking about? Little $2 for that 300. For that 300. You know what I'm saying? But I probably uploaded that last month. I dropped so many, I don't even remember half of these videos. God damn, yeah. Fuck you be on, boy. Alright, now, yeah, but this is why you should make high CPM content as a smaller YouTube channel. Look at that, 74 views, $1.77. Look at that. Don't let me go viral. Don't let one of my high CPM videos go viral, boy. Boy, I tell you now. Hey, look. 167 views. I got $1.40 off that. I know y'all probably like, that shit don't add up. I got over 800 videos. All of them making, you know, they little cents. That's why I'm going to keep building. It's called compound interest. You know, you just got to keep building, keep putting out content. And it's going to add up for you. So make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy, Yon World.